Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. It has been far too long since I've done a video. Had issues with computers and phones and cameras and you name it, so I am even further behind than I was before. But we're going to do a box opening today. This is actually my watchgang Black membership watch for July. This is the $99 subscription watch. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing that Spinnaker Hull California edition, and I really like this one. I still need to do a follow-up on this. If you guys like the Spinnakers, make sure you check in the video notes. We've got promo codes to Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast watches. And if you're into cars, click on the link for my other channel where I'm working on some old school Volkswagens. Got a couple muscle cars in there here and there, but we're definitely having some fun with some of the cars, so check that out as well. But let's get this opened up and see what we got this month, just because I'm actually pretty excited to see what I've got, because the last 3 or 4 months have all been quartz watches. So we've got Fortuna. Let's see. Oop. Made in Germany. That's probably the warranty card there. And can I get the box out without ruining that? All right. The box fits in that sleeve pretty tight. Ooh. I do kind of like that one. And automatic. Maybe watchgang watched some of my videos and heard me complaining that all the past months have been quartz. Not that they were bad, but so we've got sapphire crystal, logoed crown, Fortuna. I do like the black and red strap. So far the dial just looks kind of simple, clean. Has a little bit of a retro look. Got a little bit of polished and brushed on the case. Let's throw it on wrist really quick. I don't know too much about the Fortunas, so I will do my usual. And my usual is wear it a little bit, do some, see how I really like it, and then do a follow-up video. But I am, like I said, super far behind. So I can tell you already, I have roughly a 7-inch wrist, which I don't really wear my watches super tight, but I can tell you I'm on the last hole and have a little bit, so I'll probably be wearing it on the last hole. If you have a little bit bigger wrist, you would have, that many other holes for this particular strap. Who knows, I might change it out for something else, but I kind of dig the black and red. What do you guys think of this one? I'm happy I got an automatic. I'll find out all the specs. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.